Hi! In this video, we are mounting the Kriega US-20 Drypack on the CF-Moto 450MT, also known as the Ibex 450, using the Perun Moto top luggage rack. The Kriega US-20 is a waterproof tail bag with a capacity of 20 liters. The size makes it a good middle ground. It's large enough for light travel, quite roomy as a day pack, and still being compact enough to keep the bike balanced and uncluttered. The Perun Moto top luggage rack provides a stable platform for this type of bag. Its dimensions offer full support for the US-20, helping keep the load secure. For this setup, we are using 4 Kriega OS-Rack Loops. The rack features countersunk mounting holes, which allows the loops to be installed from the underside of the plate, leaving the top surface completely flat. To do this, you'll need M6 countersunk bolts, which are not included with the rack, or the OS-Rack Loops. Installation is straightforward. Each OS-Rack Loop is placed on the underside of the rack, oriented as shown. The countersunk bolt is inserted from the top through the rack and threaded into the loop. Don't over-tighten. The hypalon loops should still be able to move. Repeat the same process for all 4 mounting points. Before moving on, route the hypalon loops through the rack slots. This will make attaching the G-hook straps easier. There are 2 ways to prevent the OS-Rack loops from loosening over time. The first option is to add a flat washer and a safety nut on the underside, as shown here. This nut doesn't carry any load, it simply prevents the loop from coming off. The second option is to use a thread locking compound on the bolt threads. Once all 4 loops are installed and the hypalon loops are routed through the rack slots, we can install the G-hook straps. To avoid twisting the straps and to ensure the plastic buckles are oriented correctly, attach the G-hooks as shown here. The G-hooks are inserted from the right side of the hypalon loops. After that, place the bag onto the rack and clip the buckles into place. On the side where the bag closes, the straps should be routed underneath the roll top loop. This ensures the bag cannot slide off the bike. With all 4 straps connected, tighten them until the bag is firmly secured. This mounting system works best when the bag is full. If the bag is mostly empty, it can be more difficult to tension it completely. Finally, secure the loose strap ends using the built-in strap keepers to prevent them from flapping while riding. And that's it. The Kriega US-20 sits securely on the Perun Moto top luggage rack and makes a practical, waterproof tailbag setup for the CF-Moto 450MT. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.